Find or read reviews that people are talking about YARDOVA pool filter cleaning stand. Why you should choose? Because it has the following features. Easier upright filter rinsing. Built for routine pool maintenance, this upright stand helps you rinse cartridge filters in a more natural standing position with less strain during regular cleanups. More even pleat coverage. A controlled spin, encouraged by slightly off-center spray, helps expose more pleats per pass for a cleaner, more consistent rinse. Bearing-assisted smooth spin. The ball bearing rotor helps maintain smoother, steadier spinning during routine rinsing, so the filter is easier to handle under normal wet load. Practical stable base design. The upright base helps support the filter in an elevated, steady position, making routine filter care simpler and more manageable for homeowners. Compatible with many center hole filters. Fits common 3, 4, and 6-inch center hole cartridge filter styles and supports filter lengths up to 35-inch or 90 cm. Measure before purchase to confirm fit. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.